Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the upper right door hinge on this KitchenAid refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a T25 Torx bit. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screw to detach the hinge cover. Now, using the T25 Torx bit, unthread the two mounting screws securing the hinge. Have an assistant help to hold the door in place as you remove the old hinge. To install the new door hinge, position it on the door and cabinet and thread the two mounting screws to secure. Realign the hinge cover and thread the screw to secure.